here at the Samsung exhibition in the Wynn Hotel at CES, and it is all about AI being your companion. These are the new TVs with the flat to wall mounting that I talked about yesterday. Hopefully the audio is not too loud. Now, 830 million TVs sold across, 830, 24 laps around the world. 20 years in TV. So these are the new mini RGB TVs that we saw yesterday. Apologies. It's a 130 inch. This is the freestanding version of it. This is the wall-mounted version of it. You can see how industrial that is. My God, that is stunning. Micro. This is the wall-mounted version then. This is the rear with the speakers. We'll spin around and we'll have a little look. So TVs, you've got Vision AI Companion. You can ask it anything on the TV. AI on, AI off with regards to scaling. So it can pull the phone number off the TV. Personalized sound, sport. And so what the example they gave yesterday was turning the commentator off, or turning the audience or the studio off, and then asking it on the TV, what are you seeing? Can you send those ingredients to the mobile tablet that they have? That's the AI TV side of things. This is Art TV. Star Art Store, the Frame Pro, the Frame which we had on our property, some of the gaming consoles that Samsung make, Tizen user interface. We're going to get a bit more of this on the channel once we engage a bit more with Samsung Ireland. So we've got the movable screen, a little projector down here on the pop-up screen there as well. You can see it on the walls. Also, glare-free, big screen. Oh, you can see the positioned lights here, so you can see the glare there, and then the glare without. Moving style is what we were sending the recipe to, so it's something that you can actually physically move around, pick up and take around, so vertical or horizontal. We have the music studio. We've got the 5 and the 7, some absolutely gorgeous designs, the different colors. So the 7, that's the 5 with the circular and the dots, and the 7 then is the square, and it's got a play button on the top of it for Spotify. You see the different colors. Gorgeous. Irwin, Dorch is the designer. Beautiful. Then we've got the immersive theatre experience. We've got the 4 all-in-one soundbar. The sound tower that we saw at IFA 2025. He's moving it around there. Micro LED. Just the edge of the screen has a ticker symbol. 140-inch micro LED. Jeez. Beauty mirror. Over here, AI beauty mirror. audio experience with regards to visualizing what's playing on your music. Transparent micro LED. This is a see-through glass, and as I move around to the side, you can see it's nothing. Spatial signage. Very cool. This is the food manager. So it's got the camera on the top of the fridge and it's scanning what you have. You can check it in the app afterwards, and then you can ask it about a expiry date. You can do a recipe. You can do a track it in the week as to how good your food is. Hybrid cooling technology. So they've done X amount of million compressors. Zero clearance fish, more door storage. Okay, so they've added an extra depending on the fridge. Got the see-through door there. They were saying that a number of their fridges actually have screens. New kitchen packaging, efficiency. Got the most powerful stick vacuum over there. We've got the high efficiency drying and all-in-one units. Had some crazy stat about the number of people that leave their washing in their washing machine. Gorgeous units to look at anyway. They've got steam, etc., etc., and then you've got that steam cabinet, air conditioning. And then you have the steam mop, sanitization of the dual mops, and it's actually taking, you can see it here, and visualized here. And then powerful suction. And then the easy pass wheel, so it can lift itself up over the cupboard, and it also can identify liquids on the ground. You might get this guy to do it here, if it will do it. Yeah, there you go, you can see it lifting up, and then it's up and over. And this one has the liquid on the ground, it can spot it in the app, and then it's got the cables over there, so it's doing the avoidance of it. And it also has the pop-out combo wheel, so it actually will do the corners, which we're seeing a lot of robot mops at the moment. And we've got the Care Companion, which is very much about their wearables and utilizing AI to make sure that you're doing what you should be doing. So we've got the Galaxy Z series, we've got the pet health, brain health. You can connect your air conditioning unit up in the bedroom to actually help with staying cool, tracking your sleep, work with your Galaxy Fit watch. A whistle-stop tour of Samsung. Let's just make sure we haven't missed anything. The trifold, I'll talk about it. Home care security, so we have the ability of having it on your fridge. And then you also have the security cameras that are utilizing all of this technology. SmartThings. 490 different products are in the SmartThings ecosystem now. They bought it about 10 years ago, so it's good to see it. And then it's also sending the alerts fast with Arlo. So we've got that lock over here. It's now powered by Arlo, which is that. We're going to have a bit more conversation about that. And so you can be able to keypad, sensor, etc., etc. That is nearly 10 minutes of Samsung. First look at CES 2026. Let me know what you're interested in finding out more. I'll reach out to them. I think we'd be interested in finding out more about that micro RGB in the 130-inch. Gorgeous, or the micro LED, also gorgeous. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. And remember, follow Smart Home Tested for the Smart Life Simplified.